All right, guys, so I'm doing a quick video on this because of the code that I had for the throttle position sensor. Throttle body is very easy to get to. All you gotta do is loosen these two clamps, one, and where is it, and two, and you pretty much just pull it off. As far as the cable is concerned, just open this up and then it'll allow you to push on this and then to pull it out. But I was thinking that it was probably a little bit more dirty than this, but I think this might be dirty enough for it to cause some issues with it actually stalled on me once. I never actually did a video on that, but it stalled on me one time and I got kind of worried. And then it threw a code for throttle position sensor. You know, I'm gonna clean this out with bathtub no scrub bubbling. What is it called? No scrub bathtub cleaner. I bought it for $1 from the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna spray it around this area. Take a metal brush, and I'm just gonna clean this up. It's dirty enough that it could cause some issues as far as codes and stalling and stuff like that. I've seen a lot worse, but as you guys can see, there is a film of dirt, grime, not dirt, but yeah, dirt, but grime and carbon buildup and all that stuff. And it stalled on me when I came to a stop at a stoplight, and that was the first time it ever did it. That's the last time it ever did it. But I think the cold weather actually plays a huge role in all this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. I'm gonna take the 4 bolts off, take this off, clean it up. I think there's a gasket under here too. I might put some gasket maker around it just to make sure that it's sealed up good. Outside of that, I'm gonna put everything back and hopefully that'll just fix the problem. So if you guys have any yeah, you guys have any questions, your own personal experiences with this, definitely let me know in the comments section. And this truck is pretty big, you know, lots of space to work on stuff. And we'll see how it goes, guys. If it doesn't fix the issue, I'll make a video of it. Maybe I'll make a video if it does fix the issue anyway. But anyway,